been traumatized.
What's up, guys? Devin from Dyno Motorsports here today with another rear wheel horsepower video. We've got Virgil Naff's Yamaha YXZ 1000 RSS back on the dyno here today. They brought it to us previously with a NA horsepower number. They put it on there. They wanted to see what it was going to make before they turbo it. So let's see what this bad girl makes. Guys, that was so impressive. The naturally aspirated numbers before was 85 horsepower and 66 foot-pounds of torque. And as you just saw, this thing put down some impressive numbers at 122 horsepower and 88 foot-pounds of torque. Let's say that turbo actually did some work. This is an actual Yamaha turbo kit. That's what the guys in Virgil Naff say. Virgil Naff will be selling this thing, turbo and all. So if you're interested, go hit them up. Yeah, but stay tuned for more content. Like, comment, subscribe. Let us know what you want to see in the future.
I've been traumatized, gotta let that pain go. If he thinks it's sweet, be gonna